This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Bobby Lawrence. Elegantly restored Southern Colonial in the heart of Ghent within close proximity to restaurants, shops, EVMS, CHKD, Sentara Heart Pavilion. Architectural features include 10-feet ceilings, original Ionic columns, moldings and fireplace mantles. Lovely white pine floors. Oversized cook's kitchen with chef's appliances, 5-star gas range, Subzero refrigerator, 2 dishwashers, triple sinks, granite counters, custom cherry cabinets. First floor bedroom with full bath. Marble tiled primary bath, walk-in shower and closet, double sink vanity. Renovated baths. Indoor/outdoor Sonos speaker system. Double front and rear